What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today just jumping right into the video, I'm going to be using majority of Black Radiance products. Now the look that I'm going for today is this look of ItsmyRayeRaye. If you guys watch YouTube, you've seen her before. This look that she did, and it's on Pinterest. This is what it looks like. So this is the goal for today. I'm not really going to talk a lot throughout this video. I'm just going to show you guys the main products that I will be using today. So let's get them out. The Black Radiance products that I will be using today are the Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup. So I have these two foundations, and I have the colors. I have Mocha Honey, and this other one is Cinnamon. And then for the lip, I'm either going to use this blue one or like this blackish sparkly one. And this is the Black Radiance Perfect Tone HD Lip Sculptor. And I have the colors Femme Fatal and then Bad Gal. So I'm using one of these for my lips. I don't know which one. And then I may use this eyeliner. I'm not sure yet, but this is the sparkling liquid eyeliner. So I'm gonna do my regular face, and then once we get to the actual lip part, then we're gonna see if I can make this look work. I don't really do dark lips like that because I don't really know how they work on me, but today we're gonna try something different. Why not? I'm bored at home, so let's get it.